Hi, I'm Danette May. I'm a certified trainer, nutritionist, and a full-time mom. In the next minute, I'm going to share with you my #1 favorite fat-burning recipe that has only 5 simple ingredients, takes 7 minutes or less to prepare, and is guaranteed to satisfy even your strongest sweet tooth. This has been my go-to recipe to strip off fat after having 3 kids and get ripped for a recent bikini competition with some of the top fitness models in the world. Before I give you this recipe, there's something I feel I should share. What do you think of when you hear the word diet? I have one word for you: hangry. That equals hungry plus angry. Look, I'm going to put it to you straight. Diets are a joke. Fad diets, crash diets, celebrity diets, they flat out don't work. Did you know the average woman spends 17 years of her life on diets? From her teenage years, she'll spend 7 weeks, twice a year, on whatever new super diet comes along. And speaking to you men out there, you are not much different. Most of you have spent years at the gym trying to lose stubborn body fat, and you still don't have those six-pack abs and hard body that you crave. I've got a better way for you, and I know you're going to love it, and you will see lasting results. No more losing weight and gaining it back ever again. The new you starts today. Go ahead and enter your email address on this page, and I'm going to send you my #1 fat-burning recipe for free right now.